Hey guys, Lucas here from Strathmore Dodge. Just want to do a quick video walk around on our 2019 trade-in that we just got in. This is a 2500 heavy duty with the 6.4 liter. It is a bighorn trim. It does have your chrome appearance group. Trailer tow mirrors. It is going to be the cloth interior, 6-seater with the bench. 5-inch display. It does have the trailer brake control, 2 and 4-wheel drive, only 20,000 kilometers, automatic headlights. Being a crew cab, it does have pretty large back seat, single rear bench, flip up that gives you storage underneath. Body's in great shape. It does have a drop-in bed liner. Rear backup camera. If you're interested or would like to come down and take a look at the vehicle for yourself, Lucas at strathmoredodge.com.